Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, we are going to discuss about next transformation called cogroup. Okay, we'll understand how the cogroup transformation works with the example. Please let me walk through it. Before that, let me minimize my recording window. Okay, I will log on to my VM. Okay, so this is the sample I took for the explaining the cogroup functionality, how it works. Okay, so what is cogroup? Okay, so if you are using a cogroup transformation on the two RDD, example self RDD with the other RDD. So what it does is, for each key in self RDD and other RDD, it returns the resulting RDD that contains a tuple with a list of values for that key in self and as well as the other RDD. Which means, say example, I have RDD. I will tell you with this example. Okay, we are going to create a RDD. Okay, this is a key value pair RDD. Okay, this is a key value pair of first RDD. This is a key value pair of second RDD. Think of that. Okay, so in the first RDD we have a key 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the second RDD we have a key value pairs 1. Again 1 is repeating, 2 is repeating, and 4 and 3. Okay, so what it does is, it is going to find for each key it is going to find list of values in this first RDD as well as the second RDD. So you will get, okay, what you get is basically you will get actually key. Okay, so if you just look at the definition, okay, you are going to get the tuple, okay, for each key. Okay, say example, this is the RDD1 key value, and this is the RDD of key value, which is k is a key and w is a value. Here k is a key and v is a w. You are going to get for each key, you are going to get list of values from the first RDD and list of values from the second RDD. Okay, for that particular key. Similarly, for all the keys, you will get a list, the iterable object, or the object list of values from the first RDD and second RDD. So with this, we can actually just go and do the aggregation for these two list from the first RDD and second RDD. You can combine it when you want to see the overall result. This is how the cogroup works. Okay, I hope you understood. Basically, what it does is, from between two RDDs, it is going to give for the each key, it is going to give the list of values from this first RDD as well as the second RDD. That's what it's going to give. Okay, so let me walk through this program and I will explain you. Okay, so first we are actually returning the we are actually importing the PySpark package. Okay, in the PySpark.sql we are going to import the Spark session object, which will be connecting how we can actually run our program in the Spark cluster. So Spark session will be used for running our cluster program in the cluster. Okay, so in the Spark session you just give all the properties, the required properties, application and master URL, and if you want to enable live support, just enable. So create the Spark session object. So then I'm going to create two RDDs. Okay, key value pair RDDs. One is with a key 1, 2, 3, and it has values as well. So this is the first RDD with 3 tuple. This is the second RDD with which has 6 tuples. Okay, so 1 is repeating twice and 2 is repeating twice, and 3 and 4 are there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just convert, this is a Python list object. I'm going to convert it as RDD. To convert a Python list into RDD, you need to use the parallelize method, which is available in the Spark context, which is part of the Spark session object. So use this and created two RDDs. Now we are going to apply we are going to use the cogroup. So this is the first RDD. Okay, first RDD cogroup of second RDD. So what it is going to do, it is going to take the each key. Say example 1 it will take, and it will find out the list of values from the first RDD and second RDD. First RDD 2.5, in the second RDD there is a 3.5 comma 4.0, these two. So that will be for key 1. Similarly, key 2, key 3 and key 4 will find out. And then I'm going to collect and show you. So it will return you a key comma iterable of iterable from the first RDD, second RDD, that will show us the PySpark object, the iterable object. But if you want to see the value as a tuple list, a tuple with two list, I will actually try to expand that object, and I will show you. So for that, what we are doing is we are actually collecting this, okay, and after collecting this, you convert it as a list, okay. Then you do the sorting, okay. So for each so you basically this will return you the tuple, right? Key with the tuple. So a key is the x and y is the tuple actually. So in the from the tuple we are actually going to get convert into list, okay, and map, and then you take the for each x, what is the y. So like that we are going to display it. So once I show you the result, then it will be more understandable for you. Then what we are going to do, we are going to actually aggregate this, okay. So to aggregate that, you can actually use the map. So because it's already having grouped actually, okay, so we just have to aggregate the values, okay. So what I'm doing is I'm iterating each element, okay, in the RDD, the group, the co-group RDD. For so each element will have a key comma tuple will be two values, a list, so the iterables. So first I'm just giving key as e of 0 will be a key, and sum of, okay, sum of e1 of 0, which is list of values from first RDD, and sum of e1 of 1, which is values from the second RDD, list of values from the second RDD. Just to sum up, you will get a key value, that is the amount. So basically if you sum up for 1, you see here for 1 key, so you have value 2.5 and here 3.5, which will become 6, and you can sum up this 10. For 2, for key 2, 4 here and 2.5 and 3.5, which will become 6 and 10, and for 3 it is 4.5, 5.5, then become 10. For 4, 10 is that. So similarly, so we will actually for each key, if you sum up, it will be 10, 10, 10. That's what it is going to show you. I will run this program and I will show you. So first it is going to create the Spark session object. Once it creates the Spark session object, we are actually having we are creating a two RDD with a tuple key value pair, okay. Then it is going to convert that Python list object, which has contains list of tuples, into RDD. This is the Python object, okay. So it is going to convert, it is going to, it is applying the co-group. So if you look at here, I will explain you. So basically this, right, this co-group RDD dot collect, it is returning for each key what is the, it is returning a tuple, right? This is a tuple, the entire thing is a tuple. So what it is returning is basically it is returning the till this, yeah. So what is returning is this is an iterable object, that is list of values from the first RDD, and for this particular key 2, list of values from second RDD for the key 2. So if you look at here from the first RDD, for 2, 4.0 is the only value, right? That's the list of 4.0. And for the key again, for the key second, from the list of values from second RDD is 2.5 and 3.5. That's what it is returning here, 2.5, 3.5. So it similarly for 3 and 4, okay. For 4 in the first RDD we don't have value, that's why it is giving empty list. I hope you understood. So then next we are actually summing up all the values, so that you get for each key, if you sum up 10, 10 is coming. But for simplicity sake to understand, I just given you same sum value, like given the value which sum, if you sum up it will come same value. So all you need to understand is basically if you have a 2 RDD, if you apply a co-group transformation, it is going to give you for each key what is the list of value from first RDD and second RDD. That's it. Then you can apply any transformation or any computation you can do on that. So I hope you understood this video. Please subscribe to my channel and put more video. I have put more videos on different technologies like machine learning and Spark and Python. Please go through this and feel free to provide your feedback, and if you have any doubt, put it on the videos comment section. I will help you with that. Thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video.